Hey everybody, this is Derek from Rod Inspect, San Antonio, Texas, here with just another Inspector's Insight video. We're here at a new home doing an inspection, and I just want to show you one of the many reasons to have a home inspection, even on brand new homes. So here we are, and there's a roof transition right up here that we'll go take a look at. But we'll go up the ladder. And again, one of the many reasons to have a new home inspection, because we come out to new homes and find stuff like this. This is a roof transition, and there's been no flashing installed, and so you're open to the attic here. And yes, it's under an eave and might not get a whole lot of water, but in Texas we do get some pretty good blowing rains. And then as well as, you know, insects, rodent intrusion points. So there should have been flashing installed here, but has not. So just one of the many reasons to have a home inspection by Rod Inspects, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks guys.